Hey, what's up everyone? It's Mario with Modern Vintage Lifestyles, and today I've got a pretty cool episode because I'm gonna teach you guys how to jive. Now, if you've never jived before, then this is a video for you because I'm gonna break down the guy step, I'm gonna break down the girl step, and then we'll put it all together. So, let's get started. Now, the basic hand movement in jive is like shaking someone's hand, but with each hand. And so right here I'm going to do it from the side so you can get a good look at it, but that's pretty much what you're going to do for the entire song. And this will be the basic hand movement for both the female and the male. Now let's bring in the footwork with the hand movements. All you're doing here is stepping out to the side when your opposite hand is out. Now remember, these are all just basic steps, so we're not getting professional here. Here we have the basic footwork for the girl, and notice here how I'm just really stepping forward and back with my right foot while pivoting on my left foot. Now you can actually step on the left foot every time you pivot, but I found that pivoting was easier. Also notice here that the girl's foot follows the arm on the same side, so it's not like the guys where the guy is using the opposite foot and arm, but for the girl it's using the same arm and foot. When I jive, I just use these 3 fingers. Then a girl just places her 4 fingers like this right over mine. Now guys, you lead the way and let the girl follow. Now let's put it all together and dance it to a song.
All my dreams. Oh, we poppy on my little jelly bean. I feel just like I could fly. When I look into your great big eyes, your lips taste just like cherry ice cream. Oh, we poppy on my little jelly bean.